guys, we are back in the SCP games and SCP monsters. So we're gonna be doing a lot of stuff in here. So I got my normal outfit thingy, and then we got a monster. So I gotta grab all of the weapons to not waste time on this. We gotta get the reward to get that UFO thingy. So hit the like and subscribe for me to wish luck. Okay, we're back here, and then let's defeat the monster till we get the badge. Of course, I'm just testing this kind of game. Where is the monster now? Okay, so let's see when we're gonna defeat the monster. Let's go right there. Oh, maybe not, because the monster is not there. So let's do this now, but let's do the helicopter because we're gonna fly towards, because there's a UFO right at the sky and then attacking us from the above. So where the okay, this is the worst ever day ever. Okay, so we're going right over there, and then it will take a while because I didn't know how to climb this mountain. So let's get into it. Also, I'm not crying, by the way. Okay, just jump and go here. Okay, this was my planning spot that I used to do when I'm defeating the monster and then show up behind them. That's what I will do when I see the monster. By the way, am I yapping too much or is it just me? Oh my god. Okay, just not do that, because okay, whatever. Let's go back to the base. Okay. What? Oh, wait. Let, is he right here? Hey, bro. Come here. Why did is that real Yatta? I think that's from Dandy's World. Why did he get that? Okay, just ignore that message. He will just like check the oh no. Oh, never mind. Okay, let's check the other things. What about this one? Where is he? Where is he? He's not here? How is he not here? Is he visible? Maybe he's invisible because someone took his key off and then we did something ridiculous now. Also, what's your percentage? Let me know in the comments. Also, hit the like button to get more videos to make me one. Okay, don't mind if I was like, okay, never mind. So, like I was saying, we go right there. You see that? Do you see that? The part of the D. We go right there and explore something because I need to. When is it actually new here? Because I didn't even know what to say when I play this game or something like that. I watched this vids before where I was going right like Okay, we take this diamond gun, replace it with the okay. Okay, Mr. Bacon, you go there and get it. Okay, Mr. Bacon, why are you following me? That's so creepy. I'm getting out of here. Promise, bro. I'm not accepting that friend request. Please don't do that. So, okay, Mr. Bacon, you can go with me. Okay, let's go E1 because he don't want. Okay, so he's lagging. Oh my god, I'm lagging. Bro, please just go in there. Just go in there. I keep lagging when this happens, bro. Okay, close that door. Also, guys, have you guys played this game before, or like do something like with this before, and then you ate while you played when you're eating? Is that true, guys? Let me know in the comments right below. Okay, why I keep yapping? Okay, let's go. This is kinda nice game, bro, because okay, that's fake, guys. Don't do that. Don't do that, guys. Oh my god, he going after me because he fake, brother. Oh, you tricked. Oh my, how did it's supposed to be Yata? Is it really Yata? Or is it me? Oh, okay. Don't touch that. Don't touch that face. Please, bro. If the not looking works, then it's true. Oh my god. If I have to end this video, you can hit the like or subscribe and hit the notification bell. Also, I'm not forcing you guys to do it, okay? It's just my word to get more subs. I'm not even wanting subs because I need people to get so much. Okay guys, I hope you like and subscribe. Make sure to drop the notification bell. And then see you tomorrow because it's going night on mine. And I live in Philippines. So mabuhay kayo lahat. Bye bye guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.